Mhm. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. We finally did it. We successfully lowered our Lada. Look at this. Look at this montage to see it. Okay guys, so please let me know in the comments what you think of this. I really like it. It's awesome. It's completely different car. If you blindfolded me and put me in this Lada, I couldn't tell that this is my car. It's so good on the road. The corners are really hard. You can just go a lot faster than I used to, but faster with Lada. You understand what I'm trying to say. And just look at this. I like it so much. I love when the car is lowered. So this is for me. And on the racetrack, I'm working on that I drive this lot on the racetrack, but I still have some things to do. But I really want to do it. I think it's gonna be funny, and that's the whole point of this car, to do something a little bit different. And next I'm gonna change the steering wheel, and I want you guys to tell me what you want to see with this car. So let me know what you want to see, what mods do you want to install. And now we're gonna see it how it's on the road. Let's go. Okay guys, so we are on the road, and I just love it to drive my Lada. It's just so fun to drive. I love to drive it on this road when you need to go, when it's just not straight, because it's just so fun. And I can't believe it how much it's changed this little time that I have, and we're just gonna keep it, make it better. But we need to put a quieter exhaust in the back. I did a little bit by myself exhaust when I was bored, and I just put it's too loud, but that's not important now. I just love it how it's driving. It's so cool to drive. I love it, just love it. Uh, okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope that you enjoy it. Please like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.